but it creased this rear door real good.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm hurt. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm hurt. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning like 5 in the morning, I'm already on. So when you just getting out of the box, boy, I'm rounding the corner. This ain't a persona. I do this for real.
Previously on Inside the Body Shop.
This one has pretty mangled up quarter panel here. Now when you do a big straightening job like this, you could wet it down with wax and grease remover and it kind of simulates clear coat, and then you could look down it and you could see how it looks, and you could tell this one looks nice and straight with a nice even body line. So this one's good to go over to paint. I'm gonna get it down off the rack and take it over to the paint department. I almost forgot, I have to seam seal this lip and setup here. So I'm gonna scuff up this primer a little bit and tape it off for seam sealer. I have a 2012 Honda Civic. This one got drugged down the side. I'm not sure what they hit, but it creased this rear door real good and a little bit on the front door. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna start working the metal out and get these doors straightened out.